Even though earnings for Snapchat weren't all terrible news, the stock is being pummeled today, down 30% as we speak. And if that is any indication on when to not miss your numbers, it's during this time in the market right now. And Snapchat did miss their earnings. So we're going to talk about that. We're also going to take a peek at the charts and what the analysts think over the next 12 months for Snapchat, because it may be a buying opportunity based on what some of the analysts think right now. But first, let's jump over, let's take a peek at the charts, and then we'll get into the numbers and what the analysts think towards the end of this video. Snapchat trading under the ticker symbol SNAP, down over 30% today. Man, but look at that year-to-date number there. You can see right here, down almost 77% year-to-date. Far cry from that $40 per share way back in January. Let me know if you guys think this is a buying opportunity right now for Snapchat. I want to hear from you down in the comments before you know what the analysts are going to think about this company. I want to hear from you. But let's jump over. Let's take a peek at the exact numbers and what Snapchat reported, because it wasn't all totally bad news. So let's jump over, take a deep dive into it. So you can see right here, earnings per share came in at 8 cents per share, which was adjusted versus a small loss or break even that was actually expected. So a little bit of a beat in EPS. If we take a peek at revenue, 1.13 billion versus 1.14 billion expected. Again, a little bit less than what was expected, but not a total loss. If we take a peek at global daily active users, which is a huge metric for companies like Snapchat and other social media companies, 363 million versus 358.2 million expected. Now, Snapchat IPO'd in 2017, and they haven't posted quarter-over-quarter revenue growth in the single digits ever. And that was one of the big concerns for Snapchat. They only posted 6% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth. So a lot of analysts are thinking, look, the things that Apple did for privacy protection and other things like Google is doing right now, this is really going to affect Snapchat in the future, and we're seeing that play out in the numbers. Now, again, what do you think? Do you think it's a buying opportunity for this company right now or not? Again, they're growing daily active users, so there is still an appetite for Snapchat out there right now. Their revenue was a little bit of a miss. Their EPS was a little bit of a hit, so they're doing okay. But here's where they had some issues. Back in August, they announced that they were going to lay off roughly 20% of their workforce, and because of that, they had to offer severance packages and things like that, and that cost the company quite a bit of money. Now, let's jump over and take a peek at what the analysts think about Snapchat over the next 12 months. Overall, the top analysts on Wall Street are giving Snapchat a hold rating. So there are 29 ratings. 5 of those ratings are buys. 22 of them are hold ratings. So overwhelming majority of the analysts out there think that if you have Snapchat, you should just hang on to it right now. 2 analysts think that you should sell. But look at that upside potential right now. All the price targets are in the low range, $7, but in the high range, we're seeing $19, which gives us an average of $11.13, which represents an almost 50% upside right now for Snapchat. Let me know down in the comments if you think that Snapchat has a 50% upside over the next 12 months. I want to hear from you. Hopefully the market turns around sometime soon. If you actually take a peek at the broader market today, everything's up about 1 to 1.5% right now. So again, let me know what you guys are thinking about Snapchat, if you're excited about this company, and drop me a comment down below if you want me to talk about any particular stock out there right now. I'll be happy to take a peek at it if I like the company or don't like the company, and it's going to be fun to make a video about it anyway. I may do that as well. Guys, thank you so much. I'm taking the weekend off. I'll see you again on Monday.